Here's something to remember. Your potential is greater than you think. This isn't empty motivation. I mean it. You have more inside you than you realize. The secret is focus. Choose one goal, one skill, and build consistent habits around it. Do that, and your potential becomes limitless. But here's the truth. Unlocking that potential isn't easy. It takes relentless effort. The path is often lonely, frustrated, and littered with failure. That struggle, it has a name. It's called the process. The process is what shapes you. The process is what builds strength. And the process is what transforms potential into reality. One way to embrace it is by learning from others who've walked the same road, studying their struggles, their setbacks, and how they push through. If you can learn to value the process, not just the outcome, you'll unlock more than potential. You'll unlock growth, resilience, and success. Your mission. Think of someone whose life inspires you, someone you'd be proud to trade places with. This could be an athlete, an entrepreneur, an artist, a leader, or even someone in your own community. Now, here's the important part. Research the struggles they face to become who they are today. Don't just look at their achievements. Dig into the failures, rejections, and obstacles that shape them. Ask yourself, what setbacks did they encounter? How did they respond when things went wrong? What habits or mindsets helped them keep going? What can I apply from their journey to my own? This exercise isn't about copying their path. It's about understanding that behind every success story is a long, difficult process. By studying their struggles, you'll see that greatness isn't about talent alone. It's about perseverance, resilience, and the ability to embrace the process. So choose wisely, study deeply, and then reflect. What does their story teach me about my own potential and my own process?